This is week 2 Pagerank problem, and today's project is about Pagerank algorithm used in search result when we want to place more important and higher quality pages higher in the search result than the less important pages. So we will be given a set of pages connected together in some way like this, and we need to calculate this page rank. As we can see from here, page 1 links to page 2, page 2 links to page 1 and page 3, page 3 links to page 2 and page 4, page 4 links to page 2. So we will need to calculate the page rank for each of these pages, and two ways we will use to approach this problem is via sampling. We will generate the first sample at random, and we will use something called the transition model to move from the current sample to the next sample. And another approach is via the iterative method. We will use this formula in here to calculate the page rank using a recursive method. The first approach is via sampling. We will interpret this model as a Markov chain. Each page represents a state in the Markov chain, and each page has a transition model that chooses among its links at random. So we have a transition model moves us from the current page to the next page. So in this example, this means that 15% of the time the next sample generated should be page 1, and 35% of the time the next sample should be page 2, and half of the time the next sample should be page 3. So we will be generating the first sample at random, and we will use the first sample to generate the next sample. We will use the second sample to generate the third sample, and so on until we complete the desired number of samples. Another way to approach this problem is via iterative method using the formula in here. We will begin start by assuming that it's equally likely to be in any page, and we're using this formula multiple times. We calculate the next set of values based on the previous values, and we will repeat these values until the value we will repeat this process until the value converge. So we'll try the problem. We'll try the program right now. As we can see in here, this is the result of the sampling method, and this is the result of the iteration method, and they are close to each other. And we have two other set of pages in here, and this is their result, and we have the last set of pages in here. As we can see, the values are close to each other. And yeah, that's it for this project. Thank you.